So, good morning. Welcome to this session of confidence. We know well to what extent the confidence is more important in our life. Actually, it's the fuel of running a life. So, unless if you are not having enough confidence, you can't strive further in your life. That is quite very natural. People lagging with confidence is a great destructive factor of the society. That is what I would say. They don't have the positive energy normally. So the confidence gives us a positive energy and promote us to move further in the life. Normally, people of lack of confidence believe a lot of superstitious things. They may used to rely on those things a lot. So whatever things the people used to take over will be criticized by those people. So if you want to have a very prosperous life, that means almost all of us used to prefer to have a beautiful life and moreover a happy life, isn't it? We want to lead a happy life. Once if we want to lead a happy life, what the basic fuel we need to have? The simple thing is people are in this materialistic world used to think that they need to have money. Money may be one of the parameter, but it is not the entire parameter which give you the better life. A lot of other parameters. Once in our childhood we will be taught of having good qualities in our life. Our parents will be teaching, or our teachers will be teaching that moral value drives us more. So there comes the confidence actually. Mother Teresa used to say, do rather than doing a lot of bigger things, better try to do small things beautifully. The life will be more beauty and more happy. So whatever you are trying to do in your level, be more conscious enough, and you have to be more aware whether it is right or wrong. And be keep cool always. Try to keep yourself cool and believe in yourself. Every morning is a new day for you, and thank God whatever He has given to you. So that is the normal thing you need to have in your life. Without these things, even if you are positioned in a higher position, you can't do good things for you or to the society. That is quite very natural. So you want to be if you want to be a good human, then you can have a good life. Rather than not only having a good life, you can give others a good and a better life. So that is what we need. Those who are depending either directly or indirectly in your life, or connected directly or indirectly in your life, will be benefited from you if you are strong enough with a higher confidence. So the confidence is the thing which has to be cultivated within yourself. That has to be come from yourself. You can't search those things outside the world, because the outside world is quite very mysterious, and you can't. That means you can't find the end of the mysterious world. You can have your own world by making a good confidence, making the level of confidence to a higher level. For that, try to approach certain basic characters, whatever need to have in our life. That's all. Okay, thank you. Let's see in another session.